Wanted to get a video, Pyros, with the order we're going to do this in.
Yeah, we're going to hand light Battle of the Bands first. Then we're going to shoot this Whomping Willow.
I thought we were going to do the 8 over there.
Yeah, you can do those if you want. If you want to shoot those first.
The single shots.
Well, let me... Here, so I'll hand light Battle of the Bands. Then he's going to do the single shots. Then we're going to jump over and do the Whomping Willow first. And then we'll do this 16 shot Nishiki Willow to Crackle Pistol.
Yep, that'll be nice.
And then we'll do Time Bomb third. Then we'll do this fourth.
You got your 2-inch double break Nikishi Willow.
And then we'll do... Are these the ones that Todd did? I think so, right?
Yeah.
No, wait.
Mine are over in the Great Lakes.
This is the one Todd did. This is just random shells.
With Miracle, their
Miracle Pro line.
Raccoon Pro line.
Raccoon Pro line.
With the finish of Superman.
And Superman Young Fangs at the end. For good measure, always got to have some Young Fangs.
This is 5.
Okay. Then we'll go on to...
And then what were these shells right here in this rack?
Mama.
Woo Mama's going next. Were those bulk shells too in that rack?
No, those are the Bowsers.
Oh, those are the Bowser, that's right. Yeah.
You're gonna fuck your video up. You're getting off track.
Yep. Look at that bad boy right there. Chewie.
We probably should have did that. But I don't have another E-match.
There's E-match. You want one?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, and then we'll do that after Whoa Mama, your rack.
Yep. Which
and
is
then
going to
we'll
be
jump back to Chiwiwi.
Which is going to be Weapons of War, 6 of those. Next rack, Sub-Zero, 6 of those. Next in the rack is going to be the 8-inch Ochos, followed by 6 more of the 8-inch Juggernauts.
So we're going to do that rack for 7. This is 8.
That's number 8 right there, Chiwiwi.
Then this is going to be 9.
The Patriots, number 9, 90 shots.
I thought I set a piece of that tape back there, Todd, but I don't know if it stayed in there or not.
A what?
No, it might have fell. Alright, thought I stuck it in the rack. I don't know if you can see a piece of tape in there.
So yeah, the last one we were on was the Patriot. I believe you said the Patriot was going to be number 9 on there.
Yep.
Then we'll do, after the Patriot, we're going to go with the Bowsers.
8-inch Bowsers. It's going to be number 10.
Yep.
This way everyone will know what the order is so they can see everything.
And then what do you think about doing
peonies together.
Yeah, those together, the MTKs together.
Yep.
The two fucking.
Run them on the same. Yep.
What is this thing? We can do that. We can do that next, and then do the Holland peonies.
So number 11 is going to be Twirling Airburst.
Then number 12, we'll do that other small one. I know, I wish I had my snippers with me, bro.
I'll put them together.
Yeah.
It's all right. What we can. How many cues we got left? Because what I'm thinking, we could always skip one if we need to.
Should have 6 left on that one, right?
Yeah, I'm just saying. I'm thinking we could always skip one and
6, so
I'll know.
1, 2, 3,
2 2 hay
4,
nows,
5.
Mafia boss. No, we won't have enough. We'll have enough if we.
I bet you got something to cut this, dude, and I'll just twist them together real quick. That's all I gotta do.
Yeah. Probably better off just doing that and splicing it.
I'll just cut it and twist them together. That way they fire at the same time.
I got a knife, bro, if you need that.
Let me get that.
I should slice through that like butter. Problem solved.
No fucking nails no more.
Here, can you pull it?
That one needs cut too.
I'm going to go ahead and splice that together.
Just cutting all my nails off too.
Just that one.
Might have done that once or twice.
Okay, so this is gonna go there. Oh, you don't have to do yours, bro. Well, I mean, I guess we'll need one for the next one. So
Oh,
yeah,
you've
that's
already
fine.
got that. Never mind.
That's fine though, because we'll need it for the next one.
What do you mean?
If we're gonna run both MTKs together.
Oh, the MTKs, and you got the 2 hay nows.
Yeah. Damn, that hurt my teeth.
Look at that wrap on that bad boy. That's real nice right there. The Patriot, 90 shots. Nice to check that bad boy out. That Chihuahua, I've been waiting to burn that bad boy.
So there's that one. Now,
That's that.
do you want to do the MTKs next?
The MTK.
Do you want to do the MTKs next, or do you want to do those next?
The Hayman.
Right here.
Probably finish with MTK.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do
The Hayman's
this.
next.
You want to do this by itself next, and then do the Haymans together?
Yeah, that'd be good. Mafia boss.
Just those Haymans are just, as you know, how long.
Yeah.
Check out this bad boy. See how these 3 inches are on that.
That one's gonna go back, so. Then we'll do. Actually, this one's a little bit shorter.
You want to move that
So
one
let me
over by the...
Let me put this one there, and then I can put this one up.
Moving that one over there. And this one a little farther up front. You got enough?
Okay, I'll cut it here in a second. It's gonna be on 15.
Of course, all these cakes were poked and set for Battle of the Bands. That's a good rule of thumb too, to tie those together.
Yeah, I
Pull
mean, it's
them
kind of the
apart.
same thing as my Wago connectors that I use,
Yeah,
but the Wagos just keep them from getting pulled out if somebody were
Yep.
out here and tripped over
save
it.
yourself time and trouble.
Yeah, the Wago's just a little faster. I just didn't bring none,
Yep.
or else I would much rather use the Wagos. I trust them.
Right. They've always worked good anytime I've seen you use them. Reliable.
Yeah, and I just like that you can reuse them. Like, remember that one time we
Yeah.
used those quick connect boards,
Yep.
and they were a bitch to pull out.
Yeah.
I think I got some of the Wagos with me, but a little
It's
late. now.
alright.
Yeah. And then they're like supposed to be like quick plugs, but like it's like almost impossible to pull them out of some of the slots. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
and it like ruined it instantly.
Right,
So that's
like-
why I went to the Wagos.
I've had some of them before where I've just had to grab like needle nose pliers to like pop them out.
Yeah, and that's
Some of them
a
get
bitch.
stuck in there, and that's ridiculous. I don't know what quick is about that, but hey.
Oh wait.
I'm gonna run up there and grab my phone real quick because I know he's probably fucking busy.
Antsy.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
All right. Yep. Well, this will be a nice video for everybody else. It'll be a change of pace. They can see how we're setting everything up. Always better to do things properly.
Yeah, usually I wouldn't leave these wires exposed, but it'd be alright. I got some tape in my pocket too. I might
Just a little piece over there. Yep. Just cover
Just
it.
to
Just
do it.
cover it up. Yep. It got dark quick tonight.
Yeah, it did. Okay, and then I think I got one more that I gotta connect, and it's the two MTKs.
Yep. I think those are the only two left, is the two MTKs, right?
I believe so.
Get out of your way so you can get to that. Or wait, you already got the howling peonies? Yeah.
Yeah. So I got that one. Yeah, this shit's not no. He expects it to get thrown together real quick. It just don't happen like that.
No. And we don't like
I
to
wish.
rush. That's for
I hate
sure.
rushing shit.
Yeah, I don't like rushing either. And you don't want to rush with something like this because, you know, safety's a big thing.
It's supposed to be.
Yeah. Well, you can
Around
either
here,
respect
don't
fireworks or they can hurt you or kill you. That's a fact. You know I'm right.
Fuck yeah. Quickly.
Especially with the big boy stuff. There ain't no second guessing or...
Yeah, and all those, the color, I kind of wanted it to be at the beginning, and we'll put the salute at the end.
Yeah,
Because I don't
that way we can see everything. I want to be able to see these cakes, especially, you know, like...
Yeah,
we haven't even got a chance to really see Chihuahua.
Or Woo Mama by itself.
Yeah, and then, yeah, that one looks really promising. That thing is heavy. Don't sleep on that bad boy there. Whoa, mama.
Yeah, I think I got a couple cases left, I believe. I think I only bought 3 cases and I sold one already. And then I brought, yeah, so I guess I only got a case and a half left maybe. Because I brought one out here.
You said that's 2-1, those Whoa Mama, huh? Yeah, they look promising.
Wow, that just twisted right off, bro.
Seriously?
That's crazy.
Some of that's a little flimsy.
That's why I use Wagos.
Zach commented 27 minutes ago on my post I posted earlier. I just posted some pictures from PGI and I said...
Alright, so the last channel we got is the 2 MTKs, right?
What do you say?
He was just
Yeah,
he
yeah.
was lighting stuff in about an hour. Or I'm sorry, he was getting ready to light stuff.
The last channel is going to be the 2 MTKs. If you like content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of the show.